This multifamily property sits right at the edge of the village in Hardwick, Vermont, where small-town convenience meets smart investment potential. Owned and maintained by the same family for over 20 years, the love and care for this property shows, with recent updates including a brand new roof in 2025. The layout is flexible and ready to fit your goals. Currently, the front portion includes 3 connected units, while the rear holds 2 more. With a few simple changes, it can function as 4 or 5 independent apartments, or be opened up for one spacious home with up to 8 bedrooms. That flexibility, along with multi-use zoning, means options. Live in one unit and rent the others, operate a long-term or short-term rental business, or convert it for multi-generational living. Inside, the home keeps much of its original charm. Solid wood doors, detailed trim and woodwork, butler's pantries, and historic flooring, balanced by practical updates that make ownership simple. The corner lot offers strong curb appeal, plenty of parking, and a private fenced yard surrounded by easy care perennials. And location is key, right beside the Lamoille Valley Rail Trail and just a short walk to cafés, restaurants, shops, and the local library. You're in the heart of Hardwick's growing food and craft scene, surrounded by local breweries and cheesemakers that draw visitors year-round. Whether you're looking for a solid income property or a home with room to grow, this one offers both, with the lifestyle to match.